A recent Bankrate survey just dropped some tough news. 32% of Americans think their personal finances are going to get worse this year, the highest level of pessimism since 2018. Cost of living is still crushing us. Housing, groceries, insurance, everything. Credit card debt is at record highs. And a lot of you are sitting there thinking, man, 2025 didn't go as planned. Is 2026 even worth resetting? Here's the good news. This can be your best money year yet. Not because the economy is magically fixing itself, but because you're about to take control with a clear, realistic reset plan. Today, I'm walking you through a complete 2026 personal finance reset step by step that thousands of Americans are already using to turn things around. Stick with me till the end and I'll even give you a free downloadable checklist. Let's do this. First, let's be real about where we are right now. 32% expect finances to worsen in 2026. Paying down debt is the has-sown goal for 20% of Americans. 21% want to increase savings, and almost half 49% are planning to practice mindful spending this year and finally quit that little treat culture. The cost of living is still the biggest roadblock for 50% of people with goals. Unexpected expenses, job uncertainty, all of it. But here's what the successful people do differently. They stop waiting for the economy to get better, and they start with a reset. That's exactly what we're building today. Step 1. Run a full financial audit this week. No guessing. Grab a notebook or open a free Google Sheet. Write down your exact net worth right now, assets minus debts. Every single account balance checking, savings, credit cards, 400K, student loans, last month's income and every expense. Yes, even the $7 coffee. Pro tip, pull your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com and check your credit score. This audit usually takes most people 30 to 45 minutes, and it's the part that hurts the most, but it's also the part that changes everything. You can't fix what you don't measure. Step 2. Set 3 realistic goals, not 10 vague ones. Make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Examples that are working for people right now. Pay off $5,000 in credit card debt by December 31st using the debt snowball method. Build a 3-month emergency fund of $6,000 by September. Increase my income by $500 month with a side hustle. Write them down and put them somewhere you'll see every single day. Phone, wallpaper, fridge, whatever. Most Americans fail at goals because they're too big or too fuzzy. Keep yours small and specific this year. Step 3. Build a simple budget that actually works in 2026. I recommend the 50%, 30%, 20% rule as a starting point. 50% on needs, rent, groceries, utilities, minimum debt payments. 30% on wants. But here's the reset twist. Make this mindful. 20% on savings, debt payoff, and investments. Because of the little treat trend, a lot of people are switching to mindful spending inside that 30%. Before every non-essential purchase, ask, do I really need this? Or is this just a quick dopamine hit? Set a weekly fun money cap, say $50 or $75, and once it's gone, it's gone. Track it in your banking app or a free tool like Monarch Money. This one change alone is helping people save hundreds every month without feeling deprived. Step 4. Decide your debt versus emergency fund priority and lock in rates before they drop. Here's the simple rule most experts are giving right now. If your high-interest debt credit cards, personal loans is over 10% to 12%, attack that first. At the same time, build at least a $1,000 starter emergency fund, so one surprise bill doesn't throw you back into debt. Fed rate cuts are expected to continue. Mortgage rates could hit around 5.9% by the end of 2026, and high-yield savings yields are already starting to fall. So, if you have cash sitting in a regular bank account, move it to a high-yield savings or CD right now while rates are still decent. Step 5. Boost your income. This is the missing piece for most people. Top resolutions include boost income for 15% of Americans. AI has made side hustles way easier in 2026. Quick wins. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create LinkedIn posts, resumes, or even freelance proposals. Apps like Clio or Monarch can now predict your spending and suggest extra income opportunities. Start something small. Tutoring, reselling on eBay, driving for Uber, whatever matches your skills. Even an extra $300 to $500 a month changes everything when you throw it at debt or savings. Step 6. Set up accountability so you don't quit in June. Automate everything possible: savings transfers, debt payments. Do a monthly money review on the first Sunday of every month, just 15 minutes. Tell one friend or join a free online community. Reddit's R, Personal Finance, or our Growth Capital Lab community. Loud budgeting, openly sharing your goals is actually trending this year, and it works. Look, 2026 started with a lot of uncertainty, but you now have a complete reset plan. You don't need the economy to be perfect. You just need to take these 6 steps consistently. If you do even half of what we covered today, this really can be your best money year yet. Drop in the comments right now. What's the has-hone thing you're resetting in 2026? Debt? Savings? Budget? I read every comment. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Growth Capital Lab, and turn on notifications. We drop USA-focused personal finance tips every single week. I've put together a free 2026 personal finance reset checklist for you. Link is in the description. Download it, print it, and start today. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and go make 2026 your year.